So hello guys, welcome back. Earlier I have shown you how to create a web page and stuff like that to communicate with your projects. Now I got to know that your HTML code, Java and your CSS you can change it to an app-like environment which is called WPS, which is really an amazing thing to have. And WPS is it stands for Progressive Web Apps. So it's a really good thing to have, So these are the steps which I got covered from ChatGPT, how to convert our project into web app. So it needs a local server to run this app. Let me show how I run this. So as usual, this is a Visual Studio Code and it is running on a open live server. Without it won't run, and then unless you change it to Electron or something else that will convert it. So I didn't do that. So this is the MyPWAApp. If I double click it, this is the screen you are looking. This is login pages I have created, user and password. As in early videos I have shown you, if you put password or any gobbledygook, so it will highlight this upper portion that SSID is correct but the password is wrong and your password not. I didn't provide any more content with this one, so let me put the correct password. So I want to do process, okay, and let's go to our full screen mode. So this is actually on a full screen mode. Look the background. This is the pop-up screen which you connect ESP32, your COM port will open, but there is nothing. Let me connect my ESP32 to my laptop. There it is connected, and now it's showing me it's paired. If I connect this, so there are the values are coming, all the values will be like this one or this one, like the second name, yeah, there are the values and all the values are working. Okay, let me disconnect the ESP32. Okay, just disconnected now. So I will remove one and let me put my wireless mouse back to my laptop. Okay, so as now there is nothing in the serial port. Okay, let me log out from this window. So this is log on function. Okay, now you won't go to the screen because you just logged out. It will show no necessary password if you enter nothing. So now the steps are here in the ChatGPT. First of all, you have to add a manifest.json file to your folder, which include the main HTTP file. I have this folder, and there is a manifest.json file which you have to add in the background. Okay, this is the code. One thing more, you have to include your main HTML code which you want. Like I have this code, this navbar, where it is, there it is. So I have put this navbar here in the JSON file. Okay, and your icon photos, these are the icon will be shown, like this icon or this icon. This is 192 pixels, this is 525 pixels, so this will be shown here for your app. So you put your images here. Okay, and in the icon folders, I have created an icon folders. Here it is, so it's getting the photos from there. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to link this in your head folder. So this link is pasted on my head folder, and here it is in the navbar. Here it is shown JSON file. Okay, step 2, you have to create a sw.javascript file in your main folder, like this one, sw.js, and the detail you're giving as usual your icons name. Okay, and if you came down, I think there's a file folder, no, there is no name, but just, and you have to remove this one and you have put your main HTML code here. I don't have CSS, I have CSS built into my code, like there, no other folder for me, you know. So, and your icons, all the icons we have. Okay, now step 3. So in your main HTML code, what you have to do, you have to copy this code. Okay, and this code is really body of HTML. Inside the body, I have given like this navigator. I go to my body, and let me scroll down towards the body element of my code, and here's the body. So okay, body and script, here it is. At the last where all the JSON code is written, you have to put this code here at the end, you know, where the JSON code been written on your HTML page. So let's jump to step 4, and here are the actual keys and checks marks you have to do in order to run your app. There are a lot of options you can consider. I have considered, as I told you before in the starting of this video, that I have enabled live server of Visual Studio Code that is helping this WPS to run on my local PC. If I have to use another method, I can use Python. I can use even a standalone web app like Electron, as is being shown here in the third option. Deploy on a developers, host by domain. So Python server, Node.js is another option you have, and this is using Electron convert PGI desktop, fully offline version. No need to add server like thing. I didn't try this, but for my taste or for my working, this is enough. So this is the app. Close, then close this one. As I have installed, let me close the browser and let me put my laptop offline to show you that this is works. Now this is open. If I close this one now, the app won't run because there is no server that should load this one. It's not working. For that, I have to go to Visual Studio Code. Okay, for my main program, in the top, I have to go to open with live server. It will open that live server is live now. Okay, and it loaded in the browser. Let me close that and minimize this one. Now open my own app, and here it is. It started again, working absolutely fine. Put in the password, login, and here it is. My app, my HMI will run at the background without any hassle. Just double click and open it. It's a really good to have it. So I just want to have this thing for reminder for me. Thank you for watching.